everyone, welcome back. Today we are taking a look at Atom, which has been showing some really strong bullish momentum over the past 24 hours. Trading volume has increased significantly, suggesting that buying interest is continuing to build and that market sentiment is becoming increasingly positive. Atom is actually up 13% over the last 2 days, making it one of the stronger performing cryptocurrencies in the market right now. Trading volume has surged by more than 160%. This is a fantastic sign that buyers are becoming much more active and that momentum is strengthening. If this trend continues, Atom could definitely remain a coin worth watching closely in the coming sessions. Also, I wanted to let you know that our latest Atom trading call, including exact entry levels and profit targets, has just been dropped on Patreon. If you'd like access to these exclusive trade setups, profit targets, and daily market analysis, I'd love for you to join our Patreon trading community for just $10 per month. You'll find the Patreon link right down in the video description and in the pinned comment below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. And a quick reminder, this video is provided for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered financial or investment advice. Always do your own research and practice proper risk management before making any trading or investment decisions.